My name is Isaak Bonilla. I'm one of the sales consultants here at Bobby Rahal Toyota. Today, I have something really awesome that I wanted to show you. So this right here, this is a 2023 Toyota Tacoma off-road in the Lunar rock color with some really awesome Toyota genuine accessories added to it. I wanted to go over some of those accessories with you here. The first one being this awesome Toyota Heritage style grille. Now this is going to come with the TRD Pro bundled lift kit. You'll see that all here. So in the front, you have a 2-inch lift. In the back, you're going to have a 1-inch lift, and then that also gives you the Bilstien Shocks. In addition to that, we also went ahead and added on some Predator tube steps here, and we added on some roof racks here, which is really going to complete that rugged look for you guys. The good news is that we have a multitude of Tacoma grades coming into our dealership here. You can go ahead and find the one that's going to fit you and your family's needs perfectly. If you'd like to set up a test drive in one, come on into our dealership here and we can set up a test drive with the sales consultant. Or if you'd like to see them online, you can go ahead and check us out on our website at bobbyrahaltoyota.com.